guys, this is Raven. I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be using mainly black owned products. So first I'm going to go in with the Uoma Beauty Baby Hair Brow Pencil in the shade 06. I've used this product already before in my last video where I tried Uoma Beauty for the first time and honestly loved it. And I've been really reaching for this brow pencil ever since. Honestly, brows are probably my least favorite part of makeup. I always overdraw them and they're always very thick. So I have to go back in and clean them up with concealer, but this pencil is really nice, very smooth tip, and you know, it shows up on my skin tone. This is very important. So yeah, definitely 10 out of 10 would recommend. Also, all of the products that I use in this video that are not black owned, I won't be mentioning over the voiceover, but they will be listed down in the description box below. So the next product that I'm going to be using is the Uoma Beauty Stay Woke Concealer in the shade Black Pearl T1. And this one is very close to my skin tone, which is perfect because I'm going for a more natural look. As this would be something that I would use for a natural look. Any other time I do like a really beat face, I'll use a lighter concealer just to give that natural highlight under the brow bone. However, not today. And here I'm quickly priming my eyelids with a lighter concealer shade. Okay, so the next product that I'm going to go into is the Juvia's Place Nubian 3 Coral Eyeshadow Palette. And I haven't used this palette a lot, and I don't know why, because I really love the color scheme. All of the colors are pretty much, they're really soft. Of course, they're buildable. You can make them more pigmented as you want them to be, or you can make your look as more bold as you would like it to be. But with this palette, I felt like it really just gave me a really soft look. And yeah, it's kind of new to me. I don't do soft looks that much unless they're like browns, you know, but I really like the way that this eye look came out. I've also been getting into the habit of patting on my eyeshadows instead of swiping them on, like already blending them in, because I get more color payoff this way. And you would think, well, Raven, yeah, duh, you're patting it, not swiping it. But before, when starting, I thought, you know, blending was everything. Just blend, 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 blend. But no, you know, you can blend as little or as much as you'd like. You don't have to, there's a such thing as over blending. So and I just added a little bit of shimmer in like the inner corner part. Guys, I used to be obsessed with under eye eyeliner. I don't do it that much now, but this is like probably my first time doing this in years. And I've been doing makeup for a long time. Here I'm just quickly priming my face. And I'm going to go in with the Uoma Beauty Say What Foundation. This is in the shade Brown Sugar T3C. And I was very surprised at when I was shade matched for this, because you know, sometimes I need help when finding my shades and foundations. That's okay to say. But when I was getting matched for this, you know, this is a cool tone foundation, and I usually have warm undertones. So it was just very surprising. I really love the finish on this too. It's very flawless. Definitely a full coverage foundation. Medium to full. I feel like, you know, it's not too too full, but it can definitely be made to full if you'd like it to. Excuse the bags under my eyes, we're going to get rid of those right now with some concealer. You guys, I get probably like 8 hours or more of sleep, and yet I still experience bags under my eyes. I don't understand. I don't. I think this is probably my favorite part of makeup, blending out concealer. I don't know, just turns the whole look around. And then I'm just gonna quickly set my under eyes. Don't really bake like that. Okay, maybe a little bit, but I don't really pack on a lot of powder. I feel like it tends to change the undertones. The next product I'm going to be using is the Uoma Beauty Double Take Duo Stick in the shade Brown Sugar 3. These are cream products, so be careful on how you apply. I'm going to be using both sides, the contour and the highlight. And how I've learned to apply it is just to place the product on the brush first and then work it into the skin. That way you can just build it up as much as you can instead of just slapping the product on and then trying to blend it out. Going in and getting rid of all that excess powder and powdering the rest of my face while I'm at it. Then I'm going to go into this Fenty Beauty Cream Blush in the shade Cool Berry. I love this thing. Like, it's something about cream products that just gives you that from within look. Like, it just looks like your skin. And I love it. Like, this is probably my all-time favorite blush right now. Next, I'm going to go in with this Lip Bar Straight Living liner. It is a brown liner. I think Straight Living is the shade. I'm not sure. But I love this liner. Like, I love a brown liner. It just makes the look. It makes it like, oh gosh. And then I'm going to go in with this Estetica Cosmetics Flawless Gloss. You guys, this is the most bomb gloss I've ever had. It's like a mix of a gloss and a lip oil, and it just makes your lips so soft. Like, come on. And they look juicy too. Yes. I'm just going to finish this look up with some mascara. I did not do lashes today, mainly because I was very lazy. But yep, just finished it up with some nice mascara. I'm gonna take my headband off. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Let's get into it. Now this is a natural face. I love this kind of makeup. Of course I love the glitz and the glam, but this is really nice. I really like this makeup here. So this is my face using mostly black owned beauty products. Make sure you get into it. Start supporting your black businesses, you guys. And I hope to see you in the next video.